Hello everyone and welcome to Watson Headquarters. Hi, I'm your host Jackie, the French reporter. Legendary tenor Andrea Bocelli and renowned soprano Renee Fleming are headlining a spectacular benefit concert and gala dinner at the Dorothy Chandler Pavilion here at the Los Angeles Music Center. Don't go anywhere, we'll be right back after a quick break with Dr. Gatti.
This is Dr. Galli. Let's get better together.
The gala is being held in celebration of the life and legacy of the most outstanding tenor of his day, the beloved Luciano Pavarotti, who died tragically of pancreatic cancer.
How was your flight? You just came back from New York, right?
I just came in from New York. Everything was great, and we're looking forward to a wonderful concert.
I'm dying.
For real?
I was so excited to see him.
Andrea Bocelli, Renee Fleming, maybe Placido Domingos, we don't know.
You produced this concert, right?
Everybody's in for a great surprise.
A tape of Richard Tucker singing with Pavarotti, and that's going to be introduced by Placido.
Remembering Pavarotti for a great cause.
Renee Fleming is the #1 American opera star, and together they're going to make great music.
And history.
And history.
We had the privilege to speak with Dr. Diane Simeoni, who made some very important statements.
So the event tonight is to raise awareness about pancreatic cancer. I think pancreatic cancer has really been in the shadows compared to many other cancers.
Cure, research, surgery. They've raised over $3 million as far as I know. And
Give to the best scientists in the country to try to find answers to critical questions so we can develop better treatments for pancreatic cancer.
The frightening data is that there's new evidence that if we don't change the course of pancreas cancer by 2020, it's going to become the second leading cause of cancer death in the United States.
And this event would not happen without a company called Celgene, who donated $1 million to make this happen.
For example, we know smoking is probably the #1 risk factor for pancreatic cancer. There's also a link with obesity. Clearly, processed foods, things that lead to obesity and diabetes are things that help prevent pancreatic cancer.
We couldn't be at Monsieur Andrea Bocelli concert without few performances of our own.
I played on the piano a little, so we'll sing the chorus.
Okay. You
Time to say goodbye.
Okay, I can see we have a career here.
Amore. Andrea sang in my house 100 times.
Where's the husband? Okay, Senor.
Pay me not to sing.
She looks good, but she can't sing.
Do you know a song of Mr. Bocelli?
That thing, right?
Excellent.
Voi che sapete che cosa è amor.
This is amazing! This is amazing, Joe! La, 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 la. I'm happy when?
I'm happy when we hear great music.
when I'm at the opera, I'm happy when I'm at concerts, Coachella, whatever. Music is good.
Doing work for a wonderful cause to help cancer research and also through great music which unites all people.
And now, the moment we all have been waiting for, my interview with Sir Bocelli.
Mr. Bocelli, right here. Hello, can we have just a question, please? For Watson Headquarters, the French reporter, right here. No?
Okay, fine, we didn't talk, but I got a great exclusive with Goldie Hawn.
Goldie, what is the meaning of tonight? Just one question, what's the meaning of tonight?
Life.
Yes, I got one word, but a really good one. But the most important thing about tonight is the fact that a lot of money is being raised for a great, great cause. So, Goldie Hawn, Andrea Bocelli, thank you so much for making a huge difference tonight. We couldn't do it without you. I hope you enjoyed this segment. This is Jackie, the French reporter for What's On Headquarters. I will see you next time. Stay good.